Back onto the chicken coop conversion piece. Finished rigging out the walls. Now it's time to get on with sorting out this mess in here. So take you in there. I just got to clear it all out and then tackle this guy up here. The wasps have moved in, so I've got to try and evict those without getting stung. Very careful with this asbestos pipe, so try not to break any of it. Right, that's all the rubbish removed. Now, just need to sweep it out. I think that's an old water pipe down there, so I don't really want to touch it, just in case it is still actually connected to mains. That'll be a problem for a later date. But yeah, just need to sweep all this out. Right, sweeped out, looking alright. Good old stone floor there. Next jobs I need to do is I need to take out this old frame. There's some brickwork up there that's currently not doing anything. All this is rotten. And then I need to figure out what this wall situation is. Looks like it's made of 2 layers. It's got a, looks like a stone beam separating it. So I don't know why that is. I don't know if this wall is a new edition or an original edition. And then as for this, old water, I suspect, lead pipe. I'll just leave that there. I don't want to mess with it, just in case it is still connected. Hey, supervisor. Site supervisor on site. Come on, let's go. Let's put these logs away. Failed attempt of oak mushroom inoculation. Next job, sort that out. Time to evict the wasps. Oh, these guys. Hopefully. I'll smell the smoke. I'll bring that up to them. There you are. Come on. Okay, I need a big fire. He left off camera, which is typical, so now I'm just going to remove the little nest. Hopefully he won't come back. And there he is, he's come back. Realised his nest is gone. Hopefully he'll leave and find somewhere else that's safe. Otherwise, I'll have to unfortunately kick him out again. Until I can get a door on here.